Hi grade 4, so I just wanted to explain the math project to you here. So for a math project this week, last week of math this week, we're going to do a little fun project where I kind of give you $500 of pretend money to spend on anything you want. So you need to do a little bit of research. So the instructions are as follows. So you'll go online and look for items that you would buy if you have $500. When you find an item you would buy, then you would record it and write the cost on the table. You can use the two websites there. You can go on EV Games or Toys R Us to find your items, okay? After you find each item, you have to write how much money it costs, but you also have to write how much money is left. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And you must choose a minimum of 5 items, but you cannot spend more than, you cannot buy more than 7 items. One thing is that you do not need to worry about any taxes, so you don't need to pay tax. And important to note that you should be adding school and age appropriate items to your shopping list. So let's go ahead and look for an item. I'll give you an example for one item here. So I will go to EV Games and let's say I want to buy something that is like Mario related. So let's say I want to buy this Hot Wheel Mario Kart Bowser's Castle track set. Okay, I decide this is something I want to choose, so I can go ahead and write this down onto my table. So let's put it here. It's called the Hot Wheels Mario Kart Bowser's Castle track set. And how much does it cost? Well, it costs $49.99. So now it asks how much money is left. Well, you start with $500, so then you'll have to find out how much money you have left. Let's do some math here. Let's see how much money we'd have. You have $500, and the item costs $49.99. How much money do you have left? So let's do some math. Remember, you have to borrow. This needs to borrow next door. Remember, you can only borrow next door. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring the decimal down. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus nothing here is 4. So you have this much money left. Let's go ahead and write that down. $450.01. Let's go back to our table here. So money left. $450.01. Alright, let's try another one. So let's say I wanted to buy, let's say I want to buy this Uno Mario Kart. So I want to buy this card game. It's called Uno Mario Kart. Uno Mario Kart. And it costs how much? $8.99. So for the money left here, this is how much money you have. So you have $550.01. Now you spent $8.99. How much money do you have left? So let's go back to our paper here. Now you have $450.01, and you're buying something that's $8.99. So now you have to see how much money is left over. So 1 minus 9, you gotta borrow again. 11 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring the decimal down. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus nothing here is 4. 4 again. So this is how much money you have left after buying 2 items. So let's go ahead and put that into our table onto the computer. You are free to print it out if you like as well. Then you can just write it directly onto this piece of paper. Now you have this much money left. You go ahead and choose a few more items that you want, at least 5 items and a maximum of 7 items. At the end, when you have all these items, you'll have to add up the total of your items to see how much you spent. Okay? And then at the end, you have to find out how much money you have left from the $500. So this value should be $500 minus total spent should give you how much money left over you have. All right. Now, after you've done all that, you have a few questions to answer. So, what is the most expensive item on the list? What is the total cost of the two most expensive items on your list? What is the price difference between your most expensive and your least expensive? And was there an item you wished you could buy that cost more than $500? And if so, what was it? And how much were you missing if you wanted to buy it? Alright, so you have a few days to do this. This is kind of a week-long project. We will share out during our math meeting on Thursday. Alright, I'm here if you have any questions. Please feel free to ask in our math channel.